Day 2 on this project. He was never going to get that apart. Not going to happen. Got those wires there. Got new ones here. Gonna splice over from that one over to this one so they can run brakes. So, and then when I'm done with that, we can get started on mounting this headache rack up here. So we, as in Finest, is going to help me a little bit when he can. I'll do anything and everything I got to do because it's my truck, but Finest will give me a hand here and there, so that's great. Okay, it started at 10 a.m. I had to go get these parts right here, 20 miles away. And then I had to go back here a minute ago and get this roll. This is going to go up to the cab for the brake. I'm done here, so I'm fixing to mount these where they belong, so you can put the plugs in them. And then that's the brake that you would put in a regular pickup. And I'll be doing that some other time. That's not even important. I can do that tomorrow. But today we're done with this. I'm done with this, and so I'm done with that. As soon as I put these in here, we're gonna focus on getting this headache rack on there. So that's where we're at, ladies and gentlemen. Not as hot as it was yesterday, but I'm wearing a heavier set of coveralls today too, so makes it a little hotter. I got these on. I don't the Dale coveralls got hydraulic oil all over them, so I didn't feel like putting them back on. Anywho, okie mandoki. I just took it over to a trailer and plugged it in. All the blinkers work. Brake lights work. Lights work. All is swell. Now this one here I can't check until I finish putting that spool of wire. It'll run up the chassis and go up underneath the fuse panel, and I'll hook in the brake, you know, like you would on a pickup truck. I'll hook that all up underneath into the fuse panel to the brake light, so that I don't have to worry about. Right now, gonna go to work on the big monstrosity. Not as hot today, but pretty hot.
Savannah's gonna go pick her up.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're
Alright.
put these plates on here.
Huh?
And this will get it up over the APU, and then mount this to the headache rack, and then we'll put a sandwich underneath it. So we're pretty darn close, so that's where we're at. I'll take this broken stuff. I'm gonna get a cutter and cut these and cut that off, cut that. And I took the handles off the truck out there, so the handles are off the truck, so I'll take those handles and put them on here. So anyway, that's where I'm at right now. I'm gonna mount that plate to the bottom of this. Put a plate over the top of this. Gonna put one under the chassis, an L. So you can come out, go down like this. Do that here and do that there. Down there. Might want to straighten out that bend. My battery died. I didn't get another drill. something with a charged battery.
Buy that lug and just fire it.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, so this is where I'm at. I'm going to make an L bracket, and it's going to fit under the chassis. And I'm going to run a bolt through here and tighten it up, and so I'll clamp it down onto the chassis. And this C-channel is going to make it clear the APU. So that's where I'm at. That's where we're at. I wouldn't be able to do this without finance helping me out here. It's taking the whole afternoon to do it. I don't know what time it is, but I think it's time to go home. There it is. I gotta clean my need to clean my phone. It's looking awful blurry. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Got it sitting up on there. Got to drill 4 holes and tighten it up and be done. So, because the U-bolts won't go on because of the tanks, this is what we've done. Plus, this gets it up over the APU mounts. So there it is there. Then drill some holes. And that plate down there, and that plate down there, tighten her up. It's gonna need the punji cords on there because them doors won't stay shut. I'll order some latches, but that's not a big wahoo. Just kind of fixing the rain around here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I couldn't have done it without Finest. He is a major big help. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Have lots of fun. Don't be really hot and tired like me on a Saturday. God bless. And later.